My name is Linda, and I'm here to talk about my experience with my knees. I had some issues with my knees, and I went to 3 different physicians who told me I needed a knee replacement, and I wasn't ready to have a knee replacement. So I decided I was going to find somebody that put stem cells in my knee. And I ended up with Dr. Boland in his practice. And they put the stem cells in my knees, 5-6 months ago, and my knees are doing really, really well. So when the orthopedic surgeons tell you that you need a knee replacement, that's what they do for a living, and so of course they're going to tell you that. But if you're like me and you're not quite ready to take that step, you ought to search for somebody who puts stem cells in your knee. And it's not just any stem cells. Dr. Boland's stem cells are, I understand, the best on the market. So you should make sure you understand what stem cells you're getting and to get the biggest benefit. I said I know that there are other people in close area that do stem cells, but they're not the same, they're not sourced from the same place that the stem cells that Dr. Boland uses. So that I would recommend these stem cells. And the office people have been great, answered all my questions. The physician that puts the stem cells in your knee, wonderful man. Very, very, very interactive. He likes to understand what you're about. So he's wonderful. Dr. Boland is very good. The whole staff is good. So if you need and you're interested in stem cells, this is the place that I would recommend.